Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Maryland sales tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Maryland sales tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link interactive.marylandtax.gov. Click on that link. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is login page. Simply over here you need to enter your logon ID. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on submit button, then you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on password reset. Then you will be easily recover your password. If you don't have any account of Maryland tax, just click on register to create a new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.